If you're tired of the hassle and restrictions when paying your Chinese suppliers, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you an amazing solution called Payoucard. With Payoucard, you can pay Chinese suppliers directly with no hassle or restrictions. Stay tuned to learn how to apply for a card, different methods to pay suppliers, and how suppliers can receive the money. So if you want to sign up for a discount for this solution, let's get started. For starters, Payoucard is a revolutionary platform designed to streamline payments to Chinese suppliers. Whether you're sourcing products for your business or managing logistics, Payoucard makes it easy to handle transactions without the usual headaches. First things first, how do you apply for a Payoucard? Well, there will be a link in the description down below that you can use to sign up for a Payoucard. Once you click on the link, you will have to make an account. When you make an account, you're gonna have to put in some of your information like your name, your email, and all that, and then you'll have your wallet open and ready. You will have to top up your account either using USDT or Euro to be able to purchase this kind of card. Essentially is a Visa or MasterCard that you can use, and I'll go into later on how you can link it to your Alipay, but I'll go into that later. But the easiest way to activate this card is to top up your wallet in Payoucard with USDT, and then you can go ahead and create an account. Once you have filled in your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number, next you may need to provide some business information if you're a business and upload any extra necessary documents. Once you've filled out all the forms, you click on submit and you'll receive a confirmation email, and your Payoucard will be processed within a few business days. You can ask for two versions of the card. One can be the physical card to get sent to your residence outside of China. Once you receive the physical card, then you activate it, or you can also ask for a virtual card that can be used to link to different kinds of platforms. Now that you have a Payoucard, let's talk about how you can pay suppliers directly. Now, what I like about Payoucard is that it offers different payment methods. First, you have your wallet that can send or receive USDT in your wallet. And once you have that amount in your wallet, then that's where the fun happens. So there's a couple caveats I need to explain when you're paying Chinese suppliers doing this. One way is once you receive the USDT, let's see right here, you receive it, then you can sell it for Euro. Once you have the Euro fiat currency in your account, then you can go to global bank transfer right here to go ahead and initiate the process. Now here you can select what country you're going to be sending it to. In this case, I'm going to pick China, right? Boom. And you can see they can receive the currency directly in Chinese yuan. Now, what this does is that it sends the money directly to the user's Alipay account. So you put in the amount that you want to transfer. Note that the minimum amount you can transfer at a time is 100 euro. For the fees of doing this transaction, it's 1.5% plus 3 euro every transaction. So if you want to send 100 euro worth of Chinese yuan to the Alipay supplier, then you would need to do 100 euros plus 3, which is 103 plus 1.5%. So I would buffer, like I'll put 110 euro just in case. And then you can go on to the next step. Note that when you actually input the Alipay information, you need to input the phone number of the user and the Chinese name in Pinyin, not in Chinese, for it to work. And the minimum amount, as I mentioned before, is 100 euros worth of Chinese yuan. Now, with this method, it's very easy to send money directly to your Chinese suppliers if they have an Alipay account, which 99% of the times they do. So once you make the request to send money to them on Payoucard, then you will get an email saying that the transaction was processed correctly. Please note that when you're selling an Alipay, you must use their Pinyin name, not their Chinese name, so that it matches in the system, and their phone number. Once you get the verification in the email, it usually takes 1 business day for the money to reach their account. You will need to tell your supplier. They will get a text message like this: hey, you have an overseas transfer pending. Please click on this link to finish it on Alipay, and it will take them to Alipay to go ahead and receive that money, and then you can say, okay, the payment is done. And you will also get an email verification saying the payment is done. This is important to communicate with the supplier if it's the first time working with them and they're not used to receiving cross-border payments on Alipay. But just note that they will receive a text saying there is an overseas payment pending, please accept it, for them to continue, and that the funds don't get frozen. So as I mentioned, you can sign up in the link below for your Payoucard. Once you have that Payoucard, they will give you either a virtual card if you selected the virtual one, or a physical one that you can link to your Alipay. Now, let me give you an extra tip. Along with the global bank transfer that I showed online that you can send money directly to them, you can also link the Payoucard to your Alipay account if you're a foreigner, and use that to make payments on some websites. Granted, this won't work for every single website, but usually big platforms like Taobao, it should work. But if you're trying to use it on like 1688 or anything that only accepts Chinese UnionPay bank accounts, it won't work, and you're gonna have to use the global bank transfer method that I just showed you on there. their website. Now, I just showed you guys a method that you can use hassle-free to receive fiat currency or cryptocurrency to be able to pay your suppliers directly in China without stepping foot in China. If you found value from this video, or you know someone that has had issues converting currency to pay Chinese suppliers, consider liking and sharing this video for them. If you want to know step-by-step how to open an Alipay account with a pseudo Chinese bank account as a foreigner without physically being in China, check out this video right here.